dear students, and welcome to Zenith Tutorials. In this video lesson, I'll teach you a trick to draw circumscribing circle of a regular hexagon very perfectly, okay, and to gain all full 4 marks without any problem. I'll give you such an easy trick that you will never ever go wrong in drawing the hexagon and then in drawing the circumcircle of that hexagon. So ideally what we do is, according to rule, what happens is, since it is a regular hexagon, so if you are told to draw a hexagon of say 5 centimeter, how you draw? You draw 5 centimeter line here, okay, each interior angle is 120 degree, then you draw 120 degree, then again cut a 5 centimeter mark, again here you draw 120 degree, draw the line, cut 5 centimeter mark, and this way you draw the hexagon. And then what you do is, okay, so by drawing 120 degree, you draw the hexagon, and then many a times what happens is students are not able to draw the full hexagon. यहाँ पे either the line becomes short or it becomes big, and the regular hexagon is not drawn by using this method 120 degree. So I'll teach you a trick how to draw the perfect hexagon without any mistake. And then what you do is, you select any two adjacent sides, okay, bisect the side, you get the center, from the center and taking this as radius, you draw the circle. Now when you draw this circle, many a times it happens it comes inside or outside, or all the vertices are not touching. So in my trick, what I'll teach you now is a perfect hexagon, okay, perfect, all the vertices matching, and doing it in less than 2 minutes. So let's go ahead. So first of all, I am drawing an 8.5 inches big hexagon here, so that it becomes easy for me to draw it on the board. First of all, I'll directly mark the center O of the circumscribing circle, okay, mark it with very light pencil, okay, then taking suppose you have to draw the hexagon of say 5 centimeter, then you take the measurement as 5 centimeter and first you draw the circle, ओके तो हमें रेगुलर हेक्सागन बनाना था 5 सेंटीमीटर लेंथ का, लेकिन हमने उसी मेजरमेंट का एक सर्कल बनाया है और हमने सेंटर पहले से मार्क किया है. नाउ सपोज यू हैव टू ड्रॉ द हेक्सागन लाइक दिस, ओके, तो मैं कहीं से भी अगर कट करूंगी तो 6 कट्स होंगे और हेक्सागन बनेगा, बट आई हैव टू शो द एग्जामिनर दैट आई हैव फॉलोड दिस रूल. सो व्हाट आई विल डू इज, I'll take the scale, okay, now here I have taken 8.5 inches, so see this end and this end, from here I will try to make such that it becomes a straight line. So my line is here, okay, I can mark here and here, okay, so this is where I have marked, so I draw a straight line here. Without this you can also draw, but this looks very genuine. So I have drawn a 8.5 centimeter line here. Then from this point I will keep on cutting. You can see that everywhere it is the same measurement. Okay. So now we can join. Now you can see it is a perfect hexagon. All the sides are 8.5 because we have cut it with the arc. Now to show that you have done it like this, you will just do acting of, okay, what you will do is, you will just show the examiner that you have done this way. So you will cut everywhere, see it is perfect 120. So everywhere you will draw like this 120 to show the examiner that first you have drawn the hexagon. Actually we have drawn the circle first, okay. So now that you have got the perfect hexagon, now you will select these two sides or any two adjacent sides and draw perpendicular bisectors. And the trick is it should pass through O. It will pass through O because we have already drawn the circle in that way. So now stretching it, I will draw two perpendicular bisectors. Draw dotted line. When you draw this, you will see that it is passing through O. So you know that you are on the right track. Okay, this is passing through O. Now next, when you draw the perpendicular bisector of this will also pass through O. Just join it. So perfectly it has passed through O. Okay. So the examiner will say, okay, now from here they have drawn the circle. So here you have got the point. Now just take this and take any of the vertex. This is how it is ideally to be drawn. You can see that your circle is already drawn and it is perfect. So this is how you will draw the circumscribing circle of a regular hexagon perfectly by using this trick. The hexagon also comes perfect and all the vertices will touch the circle perfectly. So this is how you will do this in less than 2 minutes and you will score full 4 marks. So all the best and go ahead, watch my next video to see how to draw in circle in regular hexagon.